Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take this can of apricot halves and turn it into a delicious Ninja Creami gelato. I'm all up for super easy ice cream recipes, but they still have to be good. And this is the problem that Ninja Creami suffer across the internet, is that most of the recipes are crap. So on this channel, they're all done well. You can guarantee the results are going to be damn near perfect. What are we going to need for this one? For this recipe, you are going to need a 400-gram can. So it will be labeled about 390 to 400 milliliters can of apricot halves or segments, 73 grams of unsalted butter, 60 grams of skim milk powder, 100 grams of sugar, 43 grams of inulin, some stabilizer, and water. Yep, that's it. If you don't have inulin, I've got affiliate links to Amazon in Canada, the US, and the UK in the bottom of all of my video descriptions now. So head over there and you can grab inulin easy enough from there. You can use maltodextrin if you want, but it does change the recipe somewhat and it kind of gives this chalky aftertaste. So I'm not going to use that. The butter is an unusual one because we don't want to add any more water. This is mostly water. It's like 80% water in this can. We do not want to add any more of it. So if we were to add milk or cream, we're just introducing a lot of water. So our 33% cream has 67% water. Our milk, you know, depending on which one we use whole milk, which is about 3.5% fat here. Then we have 96.5% water. More and more water. We don't want it. So we're going to go straight to the source. The fat in cream and milk is butter fat. Let's use that. So let's get everything out ready and get this one made. Right, the first thing we're going to do is open up our can of apricots. And we're going to take the whole thing and put it into our little blender here. And we're going to run that and get it as smooth as possible without overheating the mix. We are going to have to heat this up because we're using butter. So let's just get that going. Let's get it on puree, go. Or not. Takes seconds, really. You know, that was about 30 seconds max. Now that we've got that, we can get everything else in our little pan here. So we're going to start off with our apricot puree. Super nice and smooth. Smells delicious. In that goes. And we are going to add in our water, which is 72 grams, our skim milk powder, our inulin, sugar. If you're going to use a stabilizer, I always recommend you do. We're going in with 2 grams. You can actually use a touch more, 2.5 grams if you want, because we're bringing the fat content down. It's about 8% fat, firmly in gelato territory. So with our xanthan gum in there, let's stir that together. Get that in there as well. And finally, our butter is going straight in as well. We're just going to make this nice and easy. Everything goes in all at once. I'm going to get this on the heat and warm it up gently. We don't want to go really above 50 Celsius, which is this in Fahrenheit. So let's just get that stirred together and get everything completely dissolved, and then we'll come back. Right, we are up to temperature. Give it a good stir. It doesn't take long to heat up. We're just really trying to dissolve all our solids, so our milk powders and our sugar, etc. Our inulin dispersed and that butter melted as well. Stirring it well really helps emulsify that butter into the rest of our ingredients. So with that done, we can now pop it into our Ninja Creami container. Obviously, this is for a Ninja Creami Deluxe 750 milliliters, 750 gram batch. If you want to do this in a standard Ninja Creami, then reduce all the ingredients by 1/3. If you want to churn this, you can churn this amount or you can double it, totally up to you. So with that done, let's get this in the freezer overnight and let that harden off. Using inulin in this because it's a really nice bulk builder, so a solids builder. We're not padding this out with anything. There is a certain amount of solids required for good ice cream and gelato. That is what we're using it for. It's a great substitute for skim milk powder in plant-based recipes, but we're not using it for that reason here because we're adding that skim milk powder in as well. If you don't want this to have any dairy in at all, so you don't want that skim milk powder in there, you can remove it. You will have to up the inulin by another 20 grams-ish. So just be careful with that, or you can go down the maltodextrin route, or citrus fruit fiber, which is another excellent source for solids. So with our Ninja Creami tub completely frozen, let's take it out and get it spun up. We're just going to spin it straight on ice cream setting as normal. Once it's done, let's get that out of here and get it scooped up into the bowl. It looks incredible. Let's see how it turned out. There we go, beautiful apricot gelato. It's a really unusual one to not use any milk or cream. And just to make that texture very much more like a gelato should be, needed to add that skim milk powder. It also boosted the solids content as required, otherwise it would be a bit thin. And that's the problem with a lot of ice creams out there, and gelatos and sorbets, is they're all a bit thin. And you might think, how is sorbet thin? And it still needs a certain amount of solid sorbet. So it's not just water and a flavour. It needs solids to create the texture that we want. So apricots, let's go in. Beautiful texture. Delicious. I don't think I've ever had apricot ice cream or gelato, whatever. Oh, it's so refreshing. It's such a nice flavour. And that Ninja Creami created the ultra smooth finish that we love. Delicious. I'm pleasantly surprised by the taste. Apricot is not something I would normally eat. You know, apricot and peaches and the stuff. It's not really the kind of flavour that I would buy, but this is really, really nice. I'm going to do peach in the next couple of weeks as well. All my ice creams can be done in the Ninja Creami or a standard churn machine. You will get a slightly better result from a churn machine just due to the nature of overrun, but let's not dismiss the Ninja Creami for its super smooth texture, which this apricot gelato absolutely is. If you want to use other fruit, canned fruit, then let me know in the comments which ones you plan on using, and I will make sure that you get that result that you are after. Thanks everyone for watching. I really thank my Patreon supporters and YouTube members as well. Thank you ever so much for your support, and I will see you next time.